Hey guys, so I hope you're having a wonderful day. My baby girl is sick, having diarrhea and vomiting. Same symptoms that Justin had a couple of days ago, but Justin now is getting better. Jamoya is coming down with it. So I know it's just a matter of time before, one of us in the another one of us in the house get it. Yeah, or everybody in the house get it. Oh dear. Okay guys, so today I'm all over. I'm in the washroom right now. I will be I'm washing, guys. I'm washing some clothes. I have this basket of some clothes that I need to wash. Those buckets there, I'm gonna catch this is the first wash, so I'm gonna catch this water in the bucket so we can wash these. You all know we have water problems, so we have to conserve on water. And then we use one water to wash 2 loads and one water to rinse 2 loads. So that's what I'm doing today. Junior is not here, he's back in Algerius. Yeah, so it's me and the kids. And then we have the kitchen to tidy up. And just gonna show you the boys' room. Not bad, but what I'm gonna be doing, guys. I'm feeling a bit sad because Jamal is not feeling well, because she's weak and all of that. So I'm feeling a bit sad. I'm gonna bleach down the entire house because obviously this is something going around. Yes guys, sorry about that. Justin was talking to me because the water was running out of the machine. Let me show you guys what we do. So this is how we do it, guys. We let the water run out into the buckets and the bath, and use it to wash another load. Just use a small bucket. No, make it stay in there. Just put it over the small bucket. Yeah, just put it in there and you can hold it over. Let me help you move them. So as I was saying, guys, I'm gonna bleach down everything. Jessica is there having her breakfast. Let me open the door. I'm gonna bleach down everything, disinfect everything, because Jordan in the bathroom. Yeah. Oh, Jordan, I did the bathroom this morning. I bleached on the bathroom this morning, cleaned down really nice. I'm giving Jamaya salt rehydration. Salt water, basically rehydration salt. Salt water, same thing. It's helping her. She's feeling weak and all of that. She doesn't have any fever. She ate this morning and she threw up everything. Okay. The sickness doesn't last for long though, guys. About 3 or so days. Yeah.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So I'm gonna put another load in the machine now, guys. Sorry, Jordan. Go.
I almost got Scott's mom. You're gonna use some load and wash it with some
Same water and wash it, yeah. No, you can put it in the machine. You have to go round and round, not like one place. Around and around. Not washing. What's up? Just gonna wash.
So you must like swirl around like a snake.
I'm gonna put this in there. It's the tear. My address.
This one?
Wait.
This is 2. It's some fluff to be 3 batches. Yes?
I can go in there. Come on, down there. Jessica? You call me?
No, it was more.
Maya? Pull him just in there, come.
It hurt.
So yes guys, I went for Jamaya. She was thirsty. I gave her some water and everything came up. She threw up on the floor and the curtain got it and my clothes and all of that. Jessica, go in the bathroom for the disinfectant. Oh, look in the washroom for the disinfectant. I can throw some on the floor. The pink purple. I'm confused. Oh man, I wish Sean was here. Yep, when you have kids and they're sick, that's it guys. You just have to do what you gotta do. Come Jessica. Pull it and throw some on the floor. Throw it into something. Justin, just throw it out, Jessica. Throw it out on the floor. Come my foot. I don't want you guys stepping in it because you guys are gonna get sick too. Throw it on my foot. Just throw it on my foot. Throw it on my foot.
Step on to sister.
Stop now. Justin, get the look if any old clothes in there. You can just dry up this.
What about this?
Let me see it. No.
Are you gonna use this?
Hey Maya. Wash your hair. Hmm?
It's making me be hot.
You're hot? The sheet is making you hot? Okay, do it like that.
Mommy, I can't reach over there.
You can't reach over?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
You said to put it in the mouth. I'm trying to.
Alright, give it to me.
I have a great idea.
Go on.
I have a idea.
Alright, Jessica. Go get the Jessica. Go get the thing there, the outside, the mop bucket.
Okay.
Guys, this is life. When life happens, you just gotta work with it. Maya was saying sorry to Badminton you mommy, but it's okay. She's my baby. When any one of them are sick, we just gotta do what we gotta do. So now I'm gonna take down this curtain and wash it. Okay, so the curtain is down guys, but first I'm gonna rinse it off in some water first before I put it in the machine because you know other stuff are in the machine.
begin to
Okay guys, I'm so tired at this point. Whew. So now that the clothes are getting ready to rinse, so I put the rinsing water in it guys. I'm gonna put some fabric softener in it and rinse them.
You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh, just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah, you're mine for sure. You're mine for sure.
I know when Junior see this video, it's gonna be like, oh, she's doing laundry. No, because you know he's the one who's always doing laundry, Justin. He's gonna be like, I should leave more often. Not true, Justin. Junior, when you see this, hear about Junior. How's it when you see this video? Feel good. You soon come back and do laundry. Couple more days to go. Alright, Justin, guess what now? We have to put this, run out this water now. And then rinse out these buckets. Jessica, no more water, okay? Let this rinse now, guys. Water. Oh, really?
Wait, all of our precious time was gone?
Put it back and wash. Put it back to wash, guys. I don't want my water to run out. So it was set for ring, so let me try wash and see. Yeah. I guess because I stopped it and put it on rings, because if you know when you wash it, when you're using a machine, it's set for wash then rings. I guess because I stopped it, that's why. Probably I should put it on quick wash instead of the full cycle. Spin quick. Is it quick spin or quick wash? Jeans, quick. Put it on quick and see if that's gonna work. I don't want the water to run out. Justin, you have to come and watch it for me. Because I don't want the water to run out. If you stop, you pause it and put it in the bucket here.
Okay. If it stops for like 12 seconds, I'll pause it.
You know when it stops.
Yeah.
It's quick wash.
It's quick wash. Eh?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Guys, so I'm sitting down with Maya on the floor. I'm trying to feed her something to eat. Just giving her some ginger tea and crackers. I don't want to put her on the table because if I put her on the table and she vomits, she's gonna vomit up the place. Vomit up the chairs and stuff. And so I just spread something on the floor. Oh, she has on underwear, so I don't want to show her. So I just spread something on the. I gave her the biscuit and the crackers and the I'm confused. You have to see me. The crackers and the ginger tea, and it stayed in for a while, and then she threw it up. So I gave her some more rehydration salt. If I take her to the clinic, it's the same thing they're gonna give to her. I have medication to give her. If it doesn't work, if by tomorrow she doesn't feel a bit better, then we're gonna have to take her to the hospital. Yeah, but Justin had the same thing. It was the same symptom Justin was having. Vomiting and running belly. And it stayed in Justin for... The first day was bad. The second day was not so bad. The third day was... It was almost better. So that's why I'm gonna watch this for today to see how Maya is, and then if anything I'll take her in. Yeah. My baby sick? Hush there. I just want to clean you up here. You feel like you want to vomit again? Okay.
I vomit on myself.
You vomit on yourself?
Yeah.
That's alright, Mommy going to clean you up.
Say what you wanna say to